and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Happy Wednesday, fam. Today is Hoko's graduation, and we also get to celebrate Mum's 70th birthday. Hoko was really extra, wanted to graduate on Mum's birthday, but here's me getting my makeup done like I'm graduating as well. And now making my way home to make sure that everyone is ready, and so we're not late for the graduation. The grad starts at 10, but we are looking at making our way to town around 8:30 in the morning. Look at the beautiful sun, because the last time I checked the weather was not weathering. It was supposed to rain, but thank you, Lord. Here's Hoko's outfit for the graduation. He is wearing Tuki Pacific from Samoa, his gown from town, and then a iwhaikanga from Billy's and Otahu, and his ulawhala somewhere, and a kiki from PNG. Here's Hoko's watch. Mom and Dad got him this gift, and if you turn it around, it says Tuivasa Hoko I Manuela Malanga. Manuela Whaunga. Love Mom and Dad, and here's Hoko in his full outfit. Guys, we finally got to our seats. We're waiting for Hoko to come. Hi, Dad. And it's Mum's birthday too. Yeah, he's in the middle.
Hoko Junior Livike Setone.
Ile fatu ato anga sole ile aona ele faingo fiele sailinga ole bozo ine ono bo I'm a fire me uma be ai ole loto walunga ona mea uma e aha e savali I la whaunga e iloa o e lo whautau tamasi iti a lo tula mai luma e manuia oe manuia lo wha moe moe
Now we're just grabbing a quick bite before we head over to our photo shoot at 2 p.m. We still have time to kill, so that's why we're here, and here's us at the photo shoot. With so much happening today, I'm just so grateful everyone's on time, the kids are okay, mum and dad are doing okay as well, but we've been on the go since this morning. We've only got our photo shoot to do today, and then we'll head home and get ready for mum's birthday dinner. So come along guys, enjoy our grad and birthday vlog, and don't forget to stay tuned for more. Hi guys, we have just finished our photo shoot. This is my beautiful family. Shout out to Rima for coming through. He was so easy to work with. He took some beautiful photos of my family. How good was it that we took these photos around 2 p.m? and was ready for us like around 8 p.m. Hands down, one of the best photographers. So hit him up, fam, if you need a photographer or if you need a photo shoot done. Tonight's birthday dinner is at Waipuna Lodge. It is now called Wellington's Restaurant or something like that. So we're just making our way. Dinner's at 6 p.m. And look at it, it's all changed now. They no longer have the piano on this side, but they've got like a long table. So we went on the right night because it wasn't really that packed. There was only one graduation celebration on the other side. But yeah, so come along and see what I'll be eating tonight, fam.
Sila lope mo se avanoa se ia fiani se no foanga tasa asa abetalia la tatoma anga tauiani isene atu ufua manela fula fua ona ofaya tu aileo ulangona fainata o alofana va ai yo fofo malo te ena olangona ile po sola eui ina motu fa ape yo se pole monieta ye polonga
I got my cooler here.
Ia punga mawhauwhaunga ia mo se tali tutusa Ai whaatai se ilafu a tau le afi afi Ai ta whaafe sangai Aululu ngana mwilo ufatu eliu le pope o fetu Ona o fai atu ai leo ulangona whaingata o alofana
Having a hazelnut like cake. Strawberry sorbet. Caramel ice cream. And a bowl of fruit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Yamanuela wasofana. Manuela wasofana. Manuela wasofana.
Make a wish and blow your candles. Happening now. Go.
This one is for me, loved ones. Yeah. Whoa. This one is for me, loved ones. Said I can help the way I feel when I open up. Loved ones that I've lost, we don't keep in never keeping still, everybody's in a rush. Never thought I'd be a pride that be killing us. And I'm just speaking on the real and I ain't trying to fuss. Please believe me, if they need me, I'll be down a bus. No hesitation, load them up, and if we really must. And for my bloodline, I turn them all into dust. I'm getting older now, I gotta knock off the rust before the devil come around and catch me slipping up. But I seen a lot of good people getting eaten up. A different...
Hey, 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 hey. Él es Banachalili, Dashi.